Psalms. Psalms chapter 68, verse 1. Let Yahweh arise. Let his enemies be scattered. Let them also that hate him flee before him. As smoke is driven away, so drive them away, as wax melteth before the fire. Let the wicked perish at the presence of Yahweh Yahushua. I'd like to give all prayers and honor and glory to Yahweh Yahushua, Shem Rakakurash. To Wadi Yahweh Yahushua for giving us apostles and the elders a great millstone who deserve their honors, rightfully so. Shalom to the Akim, pushing the word of sincerity and truth, and being faith-based and being prepared for what is to come. What is to come? Race wars, famine, concentration camps, the RFID chip, which is the mark of the beast. 200 million missiles hitting the slaves of America. Simultaneously, the chariots of the Lord lifting up the hopeful elect into your chambers. Simultaneously, the chariots of the Lord shooting laser beams at the ungodly and the heathens. Rightfully so. Our brothers, our Lord, the course of this video, I'm just a vessel seeking salvation from the wicked, from the Edomites, from Ashashua, from the rest of the nations, from the 2/3. Right? And anything else that's wicked, anything else that's unrighteous. Because this place is fucking filled with madness. So lucky if I sound tired. The time is 4:24 a.m. in the morning. Right. Thursday, January 13th, the year to turn up. Okay. Let's see here. Let's go back. I'm just reading some words of Salakia. Alright, it's Psalm chapter 68, verse 1. Let Yahweh arise, let Yahweh Yahushua rise. Let his enemies be scattered. Khan. This is what we should be praying. One of the things we should be praying for. The Lord scattering his enemies. For us. Because that's what David's asking. Scatter those enemies. Alright. Let's go into the word enemies so we can get Ayab, Awayab, which is Ayawab. I hope I pronounced that right. It says enemies, enemy, personal, national. Let's see what else we got here. Let's read this first. Let's read This is H341 Salaki. Awayab. Ayab. Alright? So Mashapatyam Ayab. Bahashim Yahusha Bashakakudash. Babakusha, Bakusha, Bakusha, Bakusha. Then we go to H340, it's Ayab. Ayab. To be hostile. To be hostile to be an enemy. To be hostile. To be hostile to treat as an enemy. Ayab. Ayab. Alright. Which I wanted to add to my vocabulary. Salaki, I wanted to add to my vocabulary, so but my Hebrew vocabulary. Ayab. Ayab is enemy. So Babakusha, 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 Mashapatyam, Ayab. Out of one, the enemies out of one, right? Babakusha, 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 Yabashim Yausha. So we want our enemies to be destroyed, we want our enemies to be scattered. Alright. Scatter is H6327. Parataza. Parataza. It looks like that's Salaki. Alright. To scatter, to disperse, be scattered, to be dispersed, to scatter, to be scattered, to be spread abroad, to scatter. So we want the Lord to scatter them. Alright? Get them, run down on them with the angels, with the Alahayim. Right? So, fell out of my head, so Ayab. Babakusha, 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 Babakusha. Yabashim Yausha. Ayab. Adawamyam. Right? Parataza Adawamyam. Babakusha, 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 Babakusha. Wadi Yabashim Yausha, Bashim Dash. Wow, Baba Bo. Right? Salaki, I was just saying it in Hebrew, just, I wanted to add that word to my vocabulary, so I'm going to be using that word a lot. Salaki, if I pronounce it wrong. You practice the righteous acts. So it said, let's go back to the verse. Let Yahweh arise and let his enemies be scattered. Let them also that hate him flee before him. As smoke is driven away, so drive them away, as wax melteth before the fire. So let the wicked perish at the presence of Yahweh Yahushua. Alright, that's right. So I wanted to do that. Wow.